Hey y'all, got a 2025 Sierra 2500 here. It had the AT4 high step as the main step. I wasn't hiking my leg up there, so I went ahead and I installed the Rough Country automatic steps. And I've noticed that a lot of people are having issues lining up the magnets to make sure that, you know, when you open the door and close the door, that it's activating the steps themselves to come in and out as it's needed. Now, I've seen all kinds of tricks where people are using sponges and actually physically measuring them out, or just guessing and moving it 80 times. I have a very simple solution that'll make these install super simple. Here it is. All right, so I took the magnet, as you can see, zooms in here, it's a focus. I took the magnet off the door, as you can see right here, and I'm placing it on the sensor. Now, I've done this with all four. It works the same with all four. So the magnet is placed on the sensor. Very simple, right? All you do is close the door. Oh, you can hear the magnet that went from the sensor onto the truck. As you can see, the magnet has disappeared and it's perfectly positioned onto the truck. And I didn't, no measuring, no nothing. Very simple, took 2 seconds. So one of the biggest complaints about this style running board it is easily solved by just the simple solutions, right? Just, it's a magnet. So it's going to attach itself to some type of metal, and those sensors have metal in them. So it's going to attach itself to that. And the magnet's so strong that when you close the door, that backside of the magnet where the adhesive is just going to attach itself right to the door and match it up perfectly. I did it on all 4 doors. So the magnet matched up perfectly. I did it on all 4 doors. As you can see here, bam. And the magnet perfectly lined up, perfectly lined up. We'll go to the other side of the truck. There you go, those are your sensors right here. And the magnet lined up perfectly. And then the same thing on this one. Your sensor is here. And obviously the magnet lined up perfectly. No measurements, no special tools. Simple, right? Simple. So all these complaints you're hearing about trying to line these magnets up, hopefully this video helps, guys, because I know it's been a struggle. It worried me when I ordered the kit, you know, because I had the previous OBD2 sensor, where you plugged in your OBD2 and it gave you another port and you put it up there, and that's how it controlled the doors open and close. I think this system works just as great. And, you know, one of the things I like to point out is it's kind of a universal system. So if you would replace the truck or get a new truck, you could rip these out and put them in a new truck and not have to worry about, you know, if it's going to work in that OBD2 or that OBD2. It works in any truck. You know, I know there's a, you know, you can retro these to fit in a Ford, Dodge, you know, and, you know, again, if you don't have that specific OBD2 module for that particular truck in that particular year, you're going to be out. So this was, you know, a solution for me. It works for me. Now that it's a 2-second job to set those magnets, I think these things are totally worth it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this helps you out, and I will talk to you guys soon.